Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Google Apps on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, turn on your computer and wait for your Windows 11 system to completely load up. Make sure everything is ready before you proceed with the installation process. Once your PC is fully loaded and ready to go, you're set to begin installing Google Apps on your Windows 11 device. For this tutorial, we'll install Gmail to demonstrate the process, but you can follow these exact same steps for any Google app you want to add to your computer, whether it's Google Drive, Google Calendar, or any other Google service. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type gmail.com and press enter. This will take you directly to the Gmail website. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your Google account using your credentials. Once you're signed in and can see your Gmail inbox, direct your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll notice a three-dot icon there, which is your browser's settings menu. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the menu that appears, hover your cursor over the option labeled Cast, Save, and Share. This will expand another submenu with additional features. In this expanded menu, you'll see an option that says Install Page as App. Go ahead and click on it. This feature essentially transforms the web version of Gmail into a standalone application on your Windows 11 device. After clicking Install Page as App, an installation prompt window will pop up on your screen. This window confirms that you want to install Gmail as an app on your computer. Simply click the Install button to proceed. The browser will now process your request and add Gmail to your Windows 11 system as a dedicated application. And that's it! Gmail is now installed on your Windows 11 device as a standalone app. You can access it directly from your Start menu or desktop, just like any other installed program. The best part is that you can repeat this exact same procedure for any other Google app you want to install, whether it's Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Meet, or any other Google service. Just navigate to the specific Google Apps website and follow the same steps we just covered. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.